Alright, welcome back to another episode of Always Doing Something. Tonight we are fixing our Toyota Trail Finder. Last time me and Caleb went out, we went to Lake Marina and we were climbing on those big ass rocks and I rolled down one, and this is what happened to my poor little truck. So, for one, I lost this little piece right here. You know, that goes there. And I lost this little piece, which I don't have, so I'll just have to Sharpie that black to make it look like it was supposed to be there. But that's just a little part. And then I did this. I don't know if you can see that all the way. But it broke clean off. Broke right here, all the way down underneath here. All that is gone too. So I'm just gonna clean this up down here, and I'm gonna use my famous tire glue right here. Telling you, this guy should sponsor me right here. I use this stuff for everything. But either way, so I'm going to get to cleaning this up, and then I will show you guys what I do next. This thing has taken quite a beating since I've owned it. I really love my truck right here. This is the Toyota Trail Finder 2 Marlin Edition. Came red, as you can tell. But I painted it orange and then purple and this green. So when you get these rad deep ones, you can see the different colors in it. So yeah, so now I'm gonna get to gluing it. So yeah, let's get to it. So next I'm going to try and just stick this piece on right here. It clips in there pretty good, so you get a bunch of glue. Just clip that on like that without gluing all my wires inside of here together. So I'm gonna try and just put a little bit right here. And it just runs right down the crack right there. Alright, well, I glued that pretty well. It's pretty solid, but when I glued that, I realized I broke it right here also, which is not that big of a deal because it's pretty solid. Now I'm gonna put this piece together, but first I'm going to put a couple of these little shims on there, so when I glue it in, it's got something to glue into. Not very big, but it'll do the job though, I think. So if I just put this like this. Glue that down. Alright, now we're gonna do the other side. Gonna put that on like this. And then glue that piece side on. Alright, now I'm just gonna cut these things right here. So, cut this one a little bit longer here. And then I'm going to put it up in here. I'm gonna glue it up. I'm gonna glue it in this little sector, like something like, ooh, it's kind of sticky still. Oh, look at that. That's gonna work out great. Alright, well, get a little bit of glue on here. Stick that down in there. Before that dries, I'm gonna get some glue on here. Oh, I'm gonna glue my fingers together. Watch this. Ooh. Alright. Now just hold it there for a minute. Probably have to drill 2 little holes right here and maybe 2 right here. Put a zip tie in like I got over here. I got a couple zip ties. I'll get to that in a second. Alright, well, that don't look too bad, if I have to say so. Just put a little bit of glue right there. And it's all good, I hope. Oh yeah, to get back to those zip ties. So, I've had to zip tie it right here because I had a patch. Get some light in there. I had a patch right here already because I cracked it right here. And then when I broke it, I fell down the mountain, I broke this too, so I zip tied that together right there, and I'll probably have to zip tie this over here, which I'm trying not to zip tie it because it don't look very clean. But it is what it is, so that's pretty good. Put a little bit of glue in here. And I'll call that good for the night. Oh, I'll put a little Sharpie right here too. So, if you like what I'm doing around here, leave me a comment. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll pause for a sec. Alright. Thanks for subscribing. Hit that thumbs up. And until next time, we'll see you later. Alright, check that out. I put a little bit of Sharpie right there. Can't really tell unless you're looking right at it. That is broken. See, it looks just like this side. This side's full. I just repainted it a little bit.